I am presenting today another small program for the logic and or logic for the InTouch SCADA. Just for this showing, it's a small program I am showing. I will open this. See, I am opening InTouch SCADA. This is opening. Now I will click OK. Now it is opening. Now I will open this one. Now I will open this one. See this two button and two light. This but one S1, SW2 and these two lights. If I press this on, this will open. This will on. If I also press this also on, because this is OR, but this is AND, exclusive AND. If I press this one and it will stop. See this? Now see, देखो ये अभी मैं करके बता रहा हूँ. पहला स्विच अगर ऑन हो जाएगा, पहली लाइट चलेंगी. देखो, पहला स्विच ऑन, फर्स्ट स्विच ऑन, first light is on. Now if I make second switch on, then also the first light is on, because this is OR. If I make first switch on, the first light is on. If I make another switch on, the first light is on. But if I make first switch on and also second switch on, the first light is not on. This second light is on because this is AND, exclusive AND. If I press both switch, the second light is on. See this? But if I press both switch, then second light is on. First light is off. See this? Both light off now. If I am making the second switch on, first light is on. I am making the first switch on, the first light is on. But if I make first switch and second switch on, the second light is on. This is small logic. Now I will stop this.